Chinese lesson for beginners. Introducing oneself. What is your name? 你叫什么名字? Explaining the speech. 你 equals to you. 叫 equals to a called. 什么 equals to what? 名字 equals to name. Let's say the speech again. What is your name? 你叫什么名字? Hello, my name is Michael. 你好，我叫麦克。Explaining the speech. 你好 equals to hello. 我叫 equals to by am called or my name is. 麦克 equals to Michael. Let's say the speech again. Hello, my name is Michael. 你好，我叫麦克。Where are you from? 你是哪里人? Explaining the speech. 你 equals to you. 是 equals to are. 哪里 equals to where. 人 equals to person. Let's say the speech again. Where are you from? 你是哪里人? I am from China. 我是中国人。Explaining the speech. What equals to I? 是 equals to am. 中国 equals to China. 人 equals to person. Let's say the speech again. I am from China. 我是中国人。Where do you live? 你住在哪里? Explaining the speech. 你 equals to you. 住 equals to live. 在 equals to at or in. 哪里 equals to where. Let's say the speech again. Where do you live? 你住在哪里? I live in Beijing. 我住在北京。Explaining the speech. What equals I? 住 equals live. 在 equals at or in. Beijing equals Beijing. Let's say the sentence again. I live in Beijing. 我家有4口人。How old are you? 你多大了? Explaining the speech. 你 equals to you. 多大 equals to how old. La is used to indicate change of state. Let's say the speech again. How old are you? 你多大了? I am 25 years old. 我25岁。Explaining the speech. 我 equals I. 20 equals 20. 5 equals 5. 岁 equals years old. Let's say the sentence again. I am 25 years old. 我25岁。Are you a student? 你是学生吗? Explaining the speech. 你 equals to you. 是 equals to are. 学生 equals to student. Ma equals to question particle. Let's say the speech again. Are you a student? 你是学生吗? No, I am a teacher. 不是，我是老师。Explaining the speech. 不 equals no or not. 是 equals am, is or are. 我 equals I. 老师 equals teacher. Let's say the sentence again. No, I am a teacher. 不是，我是老师。What do you do for a living? 你做什么工作? Explaining the speech. 你 equals to you. 做 equals to do. 什么 equals to what? 工作 equals to work or job. Let's say the speech again. What is your job? 你做什么工作? Where do you come from? 你来自哪里? Explaining the speech. 你 equals to you. 来自 equals to come from. 哪里 equals to where? Let's say the speech again. Where do you come from? 你来自哪里? I am from China. 我是中国人。Explaining the speech. 我 equals to I. 是 equals to am. 中国 equals to China. 人 equals to person. Let's say the speech again. I am from China. 我是中国人。What hobbies do you have? 你有什么爱好？ Explaining the speech. 你 equals to you. 有 equals to have. 什么 equals to what? 爱好 equals to hobby or hobbies. Let's say the speech again. What hobbies do you have? 你有什么爱好？ I like playing basketball and reading books. 我喜欢打篮球和看书。 Explaining the speech. 我 equals I. 喜欢 equals like. 打 equals play. 篮球 equals basketball. 和 equals and. 看 equals read or look at. 书 equals books. Let's say the sentence again. I like playing basketball and reading books. 我家有4口人。How many people are in your family? 你家有几口人？ Explaining the speech. 你家 equals to your family or home. 有 equals to has or are. 几 equals to how many. 口 equals to a measure word for family. 人 equals to people. Let's say the speech again. How many people are in your family? 你家有几口人？ There are 4 people in my family. 我家有4口人。Explaining the speech. 我家 equals my family. 有 equals has or have. 4 equals 4. 口 equals family member measure word. 人 equals people. Let's say the sentence again. There are 4 people in my family. 我家有4口人。Today's lesson review. What is your name? 你叫什么名字？ Hello, my name is Michael. 你好，我叫迈克尔。Where are you from? 你是哪里人？ I am from China. 我是中国人。Where do you live? 你住在哪里？ How old are you? 你多大了？ Are you a student? 你是学生吗？ What do you do for a living? 你做什么工作？ Where do you come from? 你来自哪里？ What hobbies do you have? 你有什么爱好？ How many people are in your family? 你家有几口人？ There are 4 people in my family. 我家有4口人。I like playing basketball and reading books. 我喜欢打篮球和看书。I live in Beijing. 我住在北京。No, I am a teacher. 不是，我是老师。I am 25 years old. 我25岁。See you next class. 再见。